It's a great activity to do with your friends and family. And it's really easy to make. This is what you'll need to build the boat. An empty sardine case, glue gun, glue sticks, 3 straws, a punching balloon, scissors, and yarn. You may need a parent to help you with the glue gun. Let's get started. You're gonna glue the straws together, but don't glue that part right there. So then you cut like right about there. Then you cut it like that. Make a hole in the bottom of the sardine can. And then you put the straws in the balloon like this. After you do that, you put the balloon and the straws in here like this. And I'm gonna have someone help me put the straws in right here. You get the hot glue gun. Then you want to glue the balloon down to here like this. Then you do it on the where the straw is connecting to the balloon. And then you're done with it. Now you just attach the yarn in that little hole right there and tie it in a double knot, and then you're finished. I will make the air blow out so it could go a lot faster when it goes in the water, so it'll go like this. And it'll move like that in the water.